Hello all. In this video, I am going to help you how to create a animation video with PowerPoint. Everyone knows that in PowerPoint we can do so many things, okay? But today we are going to see how to create a animation video. So if you very good at animations, it's very pretty simple, okay? So before that, let me create some sort of content for this one. So today my content would be like we'll create a happy birthday. Okay. So let me create something. Okay. I'm going to use only the PowerPoint things. Okay. Happy birthday. I'm going to use Arial round. Make it smart. Get it. Okay. So now I have added the text, and next I'm going to use some sort of shapes. Let it be any shapes. Okay, so I'm going to use the smileys, fill the colors with yellow, and then I'm going to use other shapes. What else we can use? We can use heart symbol. Okay, I'm going to use this red, and then I'm going to use the okay, so make it as white. Okay, so this is the uh, content I'm going to animate, and then I'm going to export as a video. Okay, so in if you go to the animation pan, you can just search the image which one need to come first. So just I am going to add this simple animation. So if you want, I can get it from the left. So this one I'll make it as a wipe, and this one I'll make it as a zoom. This one I'll make it as a ground turn. Okay, so now if you run it, you go to the animation pan. If you run it, okay, so this is the video. Let me start from, and then I'm going to make it as a start after previous. Okay, so this is the video. If I play from, see, this is how your animation will look like. Now coming to the main picture, how to export as a video. Now it's very simple. Go to file, export, and change the create video. This create video option will be there. Just simply click create video, and then it will ask for the text. Okay, now birthday. Now click save. Okay, if it will show for create birthday video, animation will come. I have navigated to that folder. I got the video. If I click that video, it will be played. You can add any number of interesting images, animation things, and get it done. Thank you for watching.